Friends. Friends are the family. Being away from home, away from family and relatives, colleagues turn into friends, friends turn into family. They are family away from home, relatives away from the town.
Right? Katiga excited.
They give us company in our every step. They celebrate with us in our tiniest reason. They are the strength in our struggles. They inspire us.
Hello guys.
Today, we celebrate. We celebrate with our friends. Together we rejoice. Together we celebrate their answer from God, their gift, their prize, their future and their happiness. I welcome you to the gender reveal of Anita and Ashutosh. I hope you'll enjoy together with us. Program was set for 3 p.m. but you already know we Nepalese people like to take it slow. Starting with entourage. Most of us work in same place. It has been an opportunity to get together. Some latecomers are finally arriving.
Happy anniversary.
Being a public place, some strangers passing by also joined and enjoyed. It was really windy all morning, so Ashutosh tried really hard convincing us to host the event in backyard, but we denied. At the end, it was all worth it. कस्तो लागिरहेछ त दुःख पश्चितको कस्तो बनाइएको छ मिठो बनाइएको छ
आफ्नो तारिफ आफै कसरी गर्नु
छोरा कि छोरी
छोरा है मेरो त कलर हेर न म छोरी नै हो
छोरी हो
छोरी
छोरी हो ल
छोरी यस्तो के छोरा छोरा बेबी तिमी चाहिँ छोरा हो है
पाँचौं वार्षिकोत्सव छोरा हुन्छ कि छोरी हुन्छ छोरी हो आइरहनु नो अरे ल छोरा कि छोरी एउटा गेस्ट त हुन्छ नि ओ ए उलाई थाहा छ है Now comes the time for gender reveal and everyone seems excited. जसले हार्छ त्यसले 10 चोटि उठबस गर्नुपर्छ है ओके कि नाइ जसले हार्छ त्यसले 10 चोटि उठबस गर्छ है त्यो टिमले सजाय हो त्यो सजाय सजाय I think it didn't go as planned. And another epic fail.
बल हरायो बल हरायो जेन्डर रिभिलको बल हरायो ल भेट्नु भयो
And the grand final.
मर्ने रे हान्नु तपाईको टेनिसको प्र्याक्टिस पुगेन है अब सोधब यिनीहरूलाई सोधब ल यो हो कि नै यो हो कि प्राङ्क हो यो ल सक्ति त्यसो भए ल केटी भएको छ ल यो अर्को साल अब अर्कोचोटि अर्को बच्चा हुँदाखेरि अब दर्शन र उसलाई नचाम ल नचाम हामी ताली बजाएर
Wait a minute. Who are you?
We played the game of guessing chocolate in jar.
A few moments later.
No, 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 no.
And couples balloon game.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Cheetah, come on. Guys, you're...
हाम्रो अनिताका सानोदेखिको साथीहरू अनि उहाँको हस्बेन्डहरू सबैलाई धन्यवाद हाम्रो सानो भाइ खतरा भाइ हर्सफिलदेखि आएको हर्सफिलदेखि सिडनीदेखि सबसे टाढा हैन
यात्रा लामो छ, साथ सधैँ रहनेछ। बाटो मोडिए तापनि, गन्तव्य फेरिए तापनि, यो माया र सम्झना सधैँ रहिरहनेछ।